first one I'm gonna share with you. Just get whatever blender that you have to make your protein shake. This one I really love to have after my workouts, usually after the gym. I use the Sun Warrior protein and I get the vanilla. I put a scoop of this into my, oh my God, this smells so good. I literally crave these shakes. Like I will tell you, I am not a protein person, like protein shake person, but literally, like I love the smell of this. And this is the only one I've ever tried, vanilla. I do want to try a chocolate one next. Anyway, I put like a scoop of this in here. And then I put the Vital Protein Collagen Peptides. I put a scoop of that in there. And I do like a tablespoon. If I can open them. I put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in there. Because technically they're actually a complete protein. And they have, like, for such a little seed, so much nutrients. A little bit of spirulina in there. Like this much, just a little bit. For nutrients, minerals, it has 60% protein. I just do it for minerals, but I top it off with berries. Sliced strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, cherries, pomegranate, antioxidant blend. And this is really yummy. I just put a little bit of fruit in there. So we have our water, our protein shake, chia seeds, our spirulina, our berries. I just recently purchased maca powder. This is a whole nother ball game in your 40s. Oh my gosh, it's like my metabolism just took a dump and said, see you later. I'm not doing anything anymore. Anyway, so I'm trying this. She said maca powder is good to balance out hormones if you have a hard time losing weight. Once she said those words, I was like, I'll try anything. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon in there. We'll see how it tastes in the, like I said, this is a new thing to me. So what I'm saying is this is optional. This is not in my everyday smoothie that I drink every morning. Whatever you just saw, that is my smoothie. This is a new thing, so I don't know how it's gonna make it taste, but I just want to add it in there so I get it in today. It does say like gives you energy, energizing adaptogen. I mean, it says it right on here. I'm trying it. Another one that I love to put in there is the Achai Superfruit pack. And I'll take one of these packs. I also get this at Target, and I'll get one of these packs. And I love it after my workouts. So let's blend this bad boy up. All right, so here's my smoothie, and I have this after my workouts. It's got great nutrients, great protein, and it's just a nice little filling breakfast, and that holds me over till lunchtime. So this is another one of my favorites. Can't taste the maca. All right, I hope you guys try it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Ezekiel English sprouted English muffins. I toast it. Tofutti cream cheese. And you can use regular cream cheese. I just try to avoid dairy as much as possible. You take everything bagel seasoning, whichever one you like. Sprinkle it on your English muffin. Take chives. And now, our sprouts that we made and cleaned. That's delicious. That's one of my favorite breakfasts. My literally all-time favorite way of eating it. So first, you need an onion. You can do white or red, doesn't matter. And basically you want to chop your veggies like you're making an omelet. Next, we're going to cut some mushrooms. And you're going to chop your mushrooms. And you can use regular mushrooms, like the white mushrooms. I'm using Baby Bella's, but use whatever mushroom you like. Do one more. Show you. I have a good amount there. Turn our stove on. And I use this olive oil. It's like pure olive oil spray. You can use regular olive oil. Put a decent amount so it sautés pretty well. Spinach. So you'll also be putting that in there. But I also put, this is a little hack for you guys. I put a little piece of paper towel there to absorb the moisture so your greens last a little bit longer. I use Ezekiel toast, the blue one. So I just put my toast in the toaster oven. A handful of the onions in there. Handful of the mushrooms in there. Be a little bit more onion. I like a decent amount of veggies in my breakfast. So that's how much I put in there. Take a wooden spoon, stir that around. Why am I having issues with the spinach? All right, then take your spinach, and you can chop it, but you don't have to. You can literally just throw it in there. It'll wilt. And you can also put butter in there if you want. You can do olive oil. You can do the spray. Depends how much oil you're consuming. Turn this heat down a little bit. Just Egg. And guess who introduced me to this? Kim Kardashian. I saw it on their show that she uses Just Egg. And you can add, if you want, you can add like peppers into it. Like that's really nice in there. You can do home fries and potatoes. I do add pepper to it. I cover it with a lid. And I just let that cook. Put my little paper towel back in there. All right, toast is ready. And then just butter your toast. You can use vegan butter or you can use regular butter. That's up to you. So I'm just buttering my toast. And let's take the lid off. Flip this bad boy if I'm gonna, I'll turn it into just like a scrambled egg situation. Ready? Wasn't too bad. Now this is a decent amount. You could split this with someone. Let that cook on that side for a little bit longer. All right, you guys, that's like done. And you'll know because it's dry, it's not wet anymore. So there's your breakfast. You got your whole grain toast, a nice healthy vegan breakfast for you. Let's taste it. This is pretty hot. It's yummy. Get to try some of these vegan breakfast ideas and let me know how you like them. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.